LEGO Marvel Avengers War Machine Buster 76,124 Building Kit, 362-piece. Build the posable War Machine Buster mech toy with an opening minifigure cockpit, 6-stud rapid shooter, 2 detachable stud shooting cannons, 2 flick missiles and gripping hands, and battle the Outriders. Includes 4 minifigures, a War Machine figure and Ant-Man, each featuring new Avengers team suit decoration, plus 2 Outriders. War Machine Buster mech model measures over 6'17" centimeters, high, 2'6" centimeters, long and 5'14" centimeters, wide. 362 pieces, Marvel Superhero Toy Construction Kit for boys and girls aged 7+, and for fans and kids of all ages. This LEGO Marvel Avengers War Machine Buster 76,124 building set for kids can be built together with all other original LEGO playsets and LEGO bricks for imaginative play. Recreate exciting action from the Marvel Avengers movies with this fun-packed creative building toy. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.